time when I was a kid, so it's been a while. And it's one thing that I always miss about England. Got my fan club. They're all coming. Domestic argument. Come on. Come on. Down there. Is that your favourite spot? The original village stocks. I'm a tourist. And what's the history of this post box?
It's a Victorian post
A
box.
Victorian post box.
As you can see, it says here VR.
VR. Victorian Royal?
Victoria Regina.
Oh, okay. I'm not very good with my English history. Grandma wouldn't be so proud. Oh well, I'll learn. I can tell you, if my grandma was here, she would be able to tell you about every single stone in that building and who made it and what their mother was like. Now, Eton's boys used to wear top hats, didn't they?
I believe so.
Yeah. Didn't they get bullied for that?
They still wear tails.
Yeah, they still wear coats, tails. There's your tailcoats. Beautiful. So fancy. Alright, I'm at my favourite fudge shop from memories when I was a child, and we're gonna have. You're doing it behind your head.
Yeah. You don't get that in many other fudge shops.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Something interesting's about to happen though.
Alright,
This.
let's go.
Yeah, go vlog about this.
Let's vlog about this.
Vlog about this. Vlog about how we're making some fudge.
You've got
That's
to do
all
some
about.
cool funky beats at the top of it.
Innit, have we?
Yeah.
It's good, isn't
It's
it?
like the news
That was
at
amazing.
10.
Maybe a bit more exciting than news at 10.
The news at 10.
Some fudge is happening.
Some fudge is happening.
Fudge is happening all over the table. It's right sticky. There we go. So here's some news for you. Yesterday I went to see my friend yesterday. She went to try on Wednesday. And she gave me a load of matcha green tea to put in the fudge.
Oh yeah.
So I'm going to make matcha fudge.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I know you. I thought you'd like that.
That would be so good. Alright, so we went for the vintage vanilla and I got it in a mecha kawaii bag.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
Kawaii.
Kawaii. Alright, thank you so much.
Thank
See
you.
you later.
Have a lovely day.
Will do.
Another 3
Bye bye.
years.
If you're ever in Windsor or England, go to Fudge Kitchen because it's thebomb.com. We're at the long walk. And we're deciding if we're going to go home through the town or through the walk, which we don't really know the way. And if we get lost, it'll really suck. And there's the castle through the gates. And there's a dog. Hello. That's so cute. That's my mum. That's my mum. I was really hungry and I forgot to film, so I've already taken a bite of the bread. But me and mum, I won't film me eating. But me and mum are at a pub lunch. Which is super cute. And I got the pasta of the day with a garlic ciabatta, or however you say it. There's lots of greenery outside.